I throw a salute to our people across the world. Una welcome to Pidgin News Network, where we dey sama una with the latest news for Naija and Obodo Oyibo. News as they pass for we street, parable as we forefathers and they talk am, to read as they blow from the pidgin world enter different corner of the world. My name na Roro Pata 20 km. The news sabi news. Una welcome to Pidgin News Network World News. You no fit run pass your shadow. Na so we people talk am. That is to say, you no fit rush do pass yourself or run pass wetin no run pass you. World Health Organization who don talk say make we no rush comot the lockdown wey koro cause, sake of say people wey dey well dey go house for koro matter don dey many, people wey dey kpai for different countries don dey reduce. That one no mean say make we comot lockdown. Dem say we must dey ready to test, trace and treat well before we fit comot the lockdown. South Korea don talk say 250 people out of the people wey be say they don talk say they don well for koro matter go their house, they don test them again come say dem get koro. So they dey try find out if this koro dey do return match. We must to get to the root of the matter. The International Monetary Fund IMF don do debt relief for 25 countries. Debt relief na when dem subsidy for money wey these people dey owe them for payback. Na nearly all the country for Africa dem give this debt relief o, plus including Afghanistan, Yemen, Nepal and Haiti. But Naija nko we no follow dey there. I no know whether Naija don turn to rich country now. IMF and World Bank say make rich country dem no collect loan payment from poor country for May and June. IMF say world economy go lose 9 trillion for the next 2 years for this koro matter. That is $9 trillion. Chinese government don approve 2 new coronavirus vaccine for clinical trial. That is to say they fit test am for human being body to see as e go work. But Dr. Anthony Fauci for America say the thing go take 12 to 18 months to get the vaccine. Other medical sabinus talk say e go pass like that. Make dem no rush am, because if they rush am, dem fit go do the one wey be say go enter our body, come make us weak. Our body no go fit dey fight small sickness again. So no wuru to the answer. No pa. Oga Donald Trump don stop American fund for World Health Organization sake of say dem follow join China to hide plenty information wey come make plenty people kpai for koro matter. So dem say dem no go give dem money again until dem see the people wey dey behind the matter. My people, make we carry our waka enter Naija to see as e dey go. Nigeria police talk man DCP Frank Mba talk say dem don arrest total of 191 people wey dem suspect for thief for Lagos and Ogun State during this corona wahala. The Lagos State chairman of National Union of Road Transport Workers, Musiliu Akinsanya, wey dem dey call MC Oluomo, talk say any of their member wey dem catch for this thief matter, dem go dismiss am patapata. Oga President Muhammadu Buhari talk say Lagos and Abuja fit take care of 1,000 patients for koro matter now across the 2 different places. He also talk say federal government don increase the social register from 2.6 million houses to 3.6 million houses for this koro matter. That one go happen in the next 2 weeks. Social register na that register wey dey take know people wey dem go give money for this koro matter, people wey no get. Na im National Social Investment Program dey use transfer money to people for this koro time. Oga Buhari also talk say Naija economy must to survive this koro and even after this koro. So im don direct Minister of Industry, Trade and Investment, Communication and Digital Economy, Science and Technology, Transport, Aviation, Interior, Health, Works and Housing, Labor and Employment and Education to put head together to find the gidigba way wey Nigerian economy go take survive this koro time and still strong after koro. The Presidential Economic Advisory Council and Economic Sustainability Committee dey work with the minister dem to make this one happen. The European Union don land Nigeria 50 million euros to take fight koro matter. Una do well, ẹ ṣé púpọ̀, una do. dem don carry one person wey im name na Saheed Akinloye, Facebook user, for say e carry fake news. This happen for Osogbo for Osun State. They don carry am go correctional center where they correct people wey their head no correct. Magistrate of Osogbo talk say the man lie for government head. Say na dem bring koro come the state sake of say dem wan get money from federal government. Director General of Nigeria Center for Disease Control, Dr. Chikwe, talk say dem go use this 14 days extension of lockdown take target to test 4,000 people for Naija, 2,000 for Lagos, 1,000 for Abuja, and 1,000 for other parts of the country. The Minister of Health, Dr. Osage, said dem go open isolation center for all Naija land border so that anybody wey dey enter, dem go dey test am and quarantine dem. My people, una do well. Make una join hand together. Make we fight this koro. We go dey sambalidate una tear rubber news as e dey come. This na Pidgin News Network where news dey start from. Hail una, Pakam.
My people, make we laugh small.